Tired of typing the same long phrases over and over again? Your iPhone 17 has a built-in feature called text replacement that lets you create custom shortcuts for frequently used words, sentences, or even emoji combinations. With this feature, you can type a short trigger like OTW, and your iPhone will automatically replace it with a full phrase like, "I'm on the way home." It's a simple way to save time and make texting faster and more efficient. Here's how to create text replacements on the iPhone 17 series. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap General. Next, tap Keyboard. Then find and tap Text Replacement. To create a new shortcut, tap the plus icon in the top right corner. In the Phrase field, type the full sentence or word you want to appear. In the Shortcut field, enter the short trigger you want to type, and then tap Save. For example, you can enter "I'm on the way home" as the phrase and use OTW as the shortcut. From now on, whenever you type OTW, your iPhone will suggest the full phrase above the keyboard. You can also create shortcuts that trigger specific emoji combinations or longer messages you use frequently. If you ever want to edit or delete a text replacement, simply return to the text replacement menu, swipe left on an entry and tap Delete, or tap the entry to modify it. And that's it. If this video helped you type faster and smarter on your iPhone 17, give it a like and check out our other videos for more quick and useful iPhone tips. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos like this.